color is absolutely gorgeous. The carbon wheels, they look amazing. The carbon wing. These are painted on stripes. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at this wheel, I'm going to feel the edge. No curb rash, and you can even see the sticker still on there. See how clean that is? Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, looking at the fender. See any chips or anything there. A couple little scuffs there possibly. A-pillar looks good. All of that looks nice. That looks good. I don't feel any rash on that wheel. Stickers on there once again, barrels nice and clean. It's a beautiful, beautiful wheel. Looking at the hood, these are actually painted on. That's not vinyl, so it's a really nice painted stripe. A couple spots here, a couple tiny swirls from just kind of everyday washing. Looks like something like bird poop maybe sat on there. So you could do a paint correction and even ceramic coat it and get a lot of that out. Looking for any other damage though. I think there's something on the paint there. Looks really good. At the splitter, see a little rash here on the underside. You can't see it though. Just kind of feeling that edge. It's all really nice. And there's not much to pick apart here on the front end. Very, very clean. Got that fender. Looks good. I don't feel any rash on that wheel. Panel looks good. Last wheel here. I don't feel any rash. Once again, got the sticker on it. Barrels are nice and clean. Looks really good. Carbon here on the spoiler. That looks amazing. So right there on the edge, you have a chip. That's really about it. That is all I see. Absolutely gorgeous car. And checking out the interior, it has that new car smell, and it is really, really nice. Here on this panel, the lightest scuff right there. Otherwise that looks good. All that trim is nice and clean. Looking at that bolster, that looks perfect. Very little wear on the edge here. Otherwise that seat looks good. Alcantara is nice and smooth. It's not matted down, so you can see the lines in it. All the carbon looks really good. This has a very strong new car smell, like it just came off the showroom floor. Here on that panel, zero flaws, looks amazing. Trim is nice and clean. Looking at that bolster, I don't see any wear. Same here. Alcantara looks good. That side of the console, that's perfect. There's really nothing to complain about on this side. Looks brand new. Looking back there, perfect. And scanning through this engine bay, absolutely gorgeous. Looks brand new. No complaints here. Really, really nice. Here on the underside. That looks really good.